Yo, what's up? It's E Fix It First back with another one. Yeah, I got a iPhone 14 Pro Max that failed the power on. Check it out. I'm pretty sure it's the battery, so stay tuned and check out the after effect. Okay, take a look. We got the old battery out and the new one waiting to be installed. And we got the old battery, swollen, wrinkles, out of shape. New battery. Check out the after results. Got the job done. Available booking today. Chicago top mobile repair service that travels to you.